What's up guys, my name is Maya, welcome to my channel, and today's video is basically going to be an introduction to my channel and to me. So in case you can't tell, my name is Maya, spelled M-I-A-H, not Mia. This channel is basically going to be about if a beauty blogger had a kid with a DIY blogger and mushed it all together, and it was this channel. So be looking forward to my new videos coming up soon. I don't know what my upload schedule is going to be yet because I am in the middle of my second year of college. It could be more often, it could be like once a week. I'm not exactly sure yet, but once I start getting into the flow of things, we'll have a set schedule and a set name for you guys. Make sure to click the subscribe bell down below so you can be notified when I upload my first real video. Alright, bye!